Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix no sound during calls on your HONOR X5c Plus. So first, you guys can try and change your volume during a call using the side buttons, but you don't have to, because whenever you go over to the settings and go to sound and vibration, here at the bottom, click show more in the volume section, you will have calls and you will be able to change the sound during calls right here. So after you change it, what you guys can do is disable Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So go over to the main page, now go to Bluetooth right up top here and make sure that it is gray right here and not blue, because now Bluetooth is enabled and now it's not. So disable Bluetooth for the time of testing, and then what you guys can do is go over and restart your phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now click on restart and tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once the entire phone is restarted. Now after the restart, just unlock the phone, and what you guys can do as a last resort is check for software updates. So go over to the settings, now scroll a bit down until you guys see system and updates and click on software update. Here all you have to do is connect to the network for an example, and after that it will search for updates automatically. Just like that. So as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it so you can keep up with the latest version of the software and ignore any glitches. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful and see you in the next one.